Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to insert hyperlinks inside Canva. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and don't make any mistakes. In saying that, let's jump straight to it. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up Canva. I'm going to create just a blank Facebook post. And now I'm going to add some text to this. So I'm going to pause this video and I'll come back. Alright guys, I've added in some text here. Now to hyperlink this text, simply highlight it all and then you have a little link button here. So if I go ahead and click on the link, I can add in a link for this text. So for this demonstration, I'm going to add in my channel link from YouTube, and then once you've done, you can click on done. And if you need to edit your link, you can edit it here too. You can even embed the link as well if you wanted to. That's what it looks like. But if we don't want to embed it, just go ahead and edit this again and click on link. Yeah, when you go from embed back to link, it'll just have the link there. So I'll just go back a bit here, like so. So yeah, that's how to insert hyperlinks inside Canva. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.